Welcome to DataPencil.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our 50-day SQL practice challenge. Today it's our day 47 and let's quickly begin our today's queries that are based on orders analysis. Alright, so basically we are going to cover a few questions based on the orders. If you have to get the result for orders per day, means you have to find the numbers of orders placed daily, okay, daily. It means what you have to do, it means we have to find the data day wise, right? If there is a data day wise, it means we will use group by order date, correct? And find the number of orders placed. So to get this value, numbers of order placed, it means we have to count the order ID. Alright, so for that we have to select order date, we can select order ID as well. Plus the major important thing is to count the order IDs, okay, as total orders, and then use the group by order date. Alright, and then we can sort our result in an ascending manner by order date. Okay, so now when you will run your code, your result will be somewhere like this. Okay, now let's run it again. So this is your result where order date and here it is total orders. Okay, so this is what we want. Now come to our query 2. In this query we want the orders per month, means in a particular month how many orders have been placed. Okay, so to get the month thing we have to apply month function over date column, correct? And we have to do group by month function on applicable on order date. So this will be something like this, where we will use the group by month on order date and month name on order date, correct? Rest of the things will be same. The only thing that we have to use the count function, so that we can simply count how many orders have been taken place. Now when you will run it, this will be your result. So here it is month number with your month name and the total orders for that month. I hope it's clear. Now in the third question, suppose you have to find out the highest order value. Now for the order value, how can you find the order value? So basically, suppose you have placed any order and the order ID generated is 101. In this order ID, you have purchased 5 different products. The first product price is suppose 1000 rupees. The second price is 2000 rupees. The third price is 1500. The fourth product's price is 500. And the fifth product price is suppose 200. So what will be the order value for this order ID? So it will be 3200. When you will add all these like 1000, 2000, 3000 and then 4000, 5200, this will be the order value, correct? The same way we have to find out the order value of each order ID, correct? This was the order value for 101, then we will find the order value for 102 order ID and likewise. So for that we have to use the group by order ID and the sum of payment amount, this sum that we are doing, correct? Okay, so when you will run this code, your result will be something like this. So the order ID 134 has the maximum order value, okay, 99,527. All right, how can you find highest one? By applying the limit one. Now for the lowest order value, again we will simply sort our result in ascending manner and then we will write limit 1, apply limit 1. I hope it's clear. Now if you have to find average order size, what is the average order size? Means if 101 order ID, for this 101 order ID, total 5 products have been purchased. Okay, so order quantity is 5. Now for 102 order ID, total purchased products are 10. For 103 order ID, total purchased products are 5 again. Okay, for 104 purchased products are 7. So what is the average order size? How can you find? You will simply add them and divide it with the 4, correct? So it will be 27 divided by the 4. So the answer will be somewhere 6.75. okay, this will be the answer. 6.75 is the average order size. All right, so what we did here, we simply applied the average function on order quantity where group by order ID should be used. I hope it's clear. Okay, now in the sixth query we simply have to find out the category distribution, order distribution, okay, means if the order quantity is lesser than or equal to 2, then what you have to do, put them as a small order. If quantity is lesser than equal to 5, then as medium, else large order. So for this we will apply the case functions. So case, when quantity is lesser than this, then small order, lesser than this, then medium order, else large order, okay. And then we have to do the counting of all the columns. The group by will be order type. Now when you will run it, just see the result. So here order type is medium order, okay, and small order, and the number of orders, total orders under these categories are 584 and 404. I hope it's clear, guys. This order type came from this case when functions, okay. Now the last one is peak sales day. Which day has the highest number of orders? So for that we have to apply count. We have to do the counting of all the order IDs, and grouping should be done based on the order date, okay. Then arrange the result in descending manner and put the limit 1. Easy, guys. Now just complete all 7 queries. Try not to see from the screen, do it on your own, okay. These codes I have given just for the reference, so that you won't face any difficulty, and you can get the clear picture, clear idea of the queries. But try not to copy the code as it is. Use your brain, please, okay. It's my humble request to all of you. After completing the queries, please submit your work via submission form. You already know how to do it. And one thing I definitely want to point out here is that you guys are absolutely awesome. Really hats off to all of you who have reached today 47. Now only 3 days are left. So good luck, guys, and complete your challenge. Submit your work via submission form. See you tomorrow with our day 48. Take care, guys. Keep practicing.